My name is Srinivas Gowda. I'm working as assistant professor in IRE college. In this session, we'll practice few questions on the SQL queries. Basically, we'll concentrate on the where clauses. How to evaluate the where clause, how to predict the output when there is a where clause. Okay, this is a table is given to us. A table is given to us, and we have here 4 options. So we have to predict the right answer. Okay. Here the table name is book. So book is the table name having 3 columns: book ID, book name, and price. Okay, we have 6 rows. Okay, corresponding book name and the price. Now, what is the query? Select. We have to select book name, price. From where? From book, where price between 500 to 800, 500 to 800. After filtering the table data, then we have to apply the order by 2, book name disk. So we'll work on this question on parts. First, we'll try to break up to the where clause. So where between 500 to 800. So we need to first identify the books. We need to identify the books whose price is between 500 to 800. When it is a between operator, both between A and 800. That means both values greater than less than equal to 500 and less than equal to 800. In other way, we can write something like this: greater than equal to 500 and price less than or equal to 800. That means lower and higher boundaries are also considered in the between operator. Okay, that is the between operator is to search for given range. In the given range, we have to give 2 values: lower boundary, higher boundary, and both are inclusive. That means here between 500 to 800 means it is less than or equal to 500, so greater than or equal to 500 and less than or equal to 800. This is the between operator query. Now we'll try to solve this problem. We'll try to solve the first problem. Okay. Now we need to identify those books which are between 500 to 800. So we get here Sense 700, then Persuasion 500, Lady Susan 800, and Believe 600. So we got out of 6 records, we got only 4 records. We can safely eliminate 301. You can eliminate, and also can eliminate secret books because they are not in the range between 500 to 800. 500 to 800 range are only 4 values. That is Sense is there, Persuasion is there, Lady Susan is there, Believe is here. Okay, now we got like this. Still we have not completed the question. We have completed up to the where clause. We have completed up to this part. We have completed. Still we are left with order by 2, book name disk. What is order by? Order by is used to sort the data. Order by clause used to sort the data. By default, it is ascending. It takes 2 parameters: ascending and descending. By default, it is ascending. They are not given anything here. And here, instead of giving the column name, they have given some integer value here. Instead of giving the order by some column, general by order by will be given some column names. Instead of giving the column names, they have given here some 2. What is this integer 2? What is this 2? This 2 means the column order in the select statement. Here 2 is the column order in the select statement. In the select statement, we have 2 columns: book name and price. What is 2 is the second column. So we need to. Okay, I think I removed it. Okay, we'll write once again. 3 now. We don't need to write it. We don't need to write the Sense 700, Persuasion is 500, Lady Susan is 800, and Believe is 600. Right? Eliminated other 2 records. Now This is the up to the where clause. Now you need to order by 2 comma. Here we have to do a double sort. We have to do a double sort. You have to do a double sort. First on the 2. What is 2 is 2 is the second. Here 2 meaning there is the second column in the select statement. Here what is 2 here? The second column. No, what is the second column here? Book name is the first column. Book name is second column. Second column is price. We need to sort by price. Price 2. By default it is ascending, so that they have not given book. They have not given. Ascending or descending, but it means by default it is ascending. So we need to sort this data by ascending. So we are going to get persuasion 500, then belief 600, then sense is 700, and lady in 800. A lady in 800. So we have sorted based on the first. We are finished on the first sort. After that, again we have to sort based on the book name description. As these all are unique values, we don't need to do a double sort once again. Only if there are 2 values having the same value, then we have to do the secondary sort. In this case, we don't need to do the secondary sort. So answer is persuasion 500, belief in 600, sense in 700. And lady in 800. So what is the answer here? Persuasion, belief, sense, and also this is the right answer. We don't need to compare any other answer, because here it is a radio group. Only one will be the right answer. In this case, the answer is question number 1. Answer is A. Okay. Now. Understood? We'll check once again. See, this question is, they have given us a query to find out the order of the records. So first we have to break up to the where clause. Up to the where clause, you have to say what are the records between price 500 to 800. Price between 500 to 800. There are 4 records. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 records. Then we have to order by 2 is here. 2 is the second column in the select statement. It is not in the second column in the. It is not in the second column in the table. It is the second column in the select statement. So order by price by default it is ascending. Means what is ascending means 0 to 100, A to Z is ascending. The reverse will be descending. Means 0 to 100 to 0, Z to A. So after that we are going to get the answer as 1. Well, this is the first question answer. Yeah, this question is testing our skills. This question is testing our skills on the where clause and also on the order by clause. Order by, we have to do here double sort. Yeah, order by 2 here. 2 means the second column in the select statement. If I say here the order is 1, that means if I say here the instead of 2, if I say 1, that one will be the first column. 2 means second column in the select statement. This is important. This 2 means second column in the select statement, not in the table. Select statement, not in the table. That have to be clearly understood. Okay, very good. Now we'll go to next question. Next question. Okay, what is the next here? The table name is company. So company is the name of the table having ID, company name, city, and country. Okay, 4 columns are there, and okay, they are given 7 rows. Okay, they are given 7 rows starting with 111, 22, 33, 44, 55, 77. Okay, now we have to see the query. What is the query? select company name. So we have to identify the company name. We have to identify the company name where the length of the city between 6 and 10. 6 and 10. It's again a between operator. So when I say between means lower and higher bound is also included. So after that class we have to do again double sort. First on the country, and after that, what is one? One is the first column in the select statement. Now we'll try to solve this problem. Length of city between 6 to 10. First we have to print the length. So what is the length? Length function will give us the number of characters in a string. The number of characters in a string. Length function is going to give us the number of characters in a string. Here the string is, for example, here the string is city. It also includes empty space. Every empty space is considered as one space. Every empty space is considered as one space. Okay. Now we'll try to solve this problem. Okay. First we have to calculate the length. It should be between 6 and 10. Okay. First we'll calculate the length of Frankfurt. That is 111. Frankfurt is FARN. FRANK. FURT. It is 9. So Frankfurt is 9. Okay. Frankfurt is 9. Next, Chicago. CHICA and GO 7. So 222 is 7. Okay. Berlin. BERLIN. So Berlin also we need to take. Here it is 6. Tokyo. TOKYO. So we don't need to consider Tokyo. We don't need to consider Tokyo. Osaka. OSAKA. We don't need to also consider Osaka also. New Orleans. So New Orleans is 3. Empty space is 4. OREORLEANS. NS is 7. So 7 plus is 14. 11. So we don't need to consider. We don't need to consider even New Orleans. Next, Phenom. PHNOM. It is 5. One empty space is 6. And 4. So out of 7 records, we don't need to consider 3 records. So we are left with Frankfurt. We left with Frankfurt, Chicago, Berlin, then and Phenom. Okay. So Tokyo is ruled out. Osaka is also ruled out. 6 Kajon is left. Now we got only out of 7 we got. Now we need to apply the sorting. Here once again it is not a single sort, it is double sort. Country description. First, so we have to get the country names up here. Frankfurt is Germany. Next to Chicago is USA. Berlin is again Germany. Berlin also Germany. Phnom is Cambodia. Next, country in the descending format. What is descending means? Descending means Z to A, 100 to 0. Opposite of descending is ascending. A to Z, 0 to 100. Okay, 0 to 100. Now here, we are solving. We have to order by country descending. So country descending, U comes first. So first will be Chicago, USA. Then we have Germany. We have 2 records. Frankfurt, Germany. Then we have Berlin, again Germany. At last will be Phnom. It is Cambodia. This is the first sort. Now again we have to apply the secondary sort here because there are 2 values having the same countries. So again we have to apply on the secondary sort. What is the second name? Is company name. So for Chicago it is always only one. So we know. Now out of Frankfurt and Berlin, we have to order by the first company name. What is company name here? Company name is for Frankfurt it is Arnold. For Frankfurt it is Arnold. For Berlin it is Heli. So when you apply the secondary sort on these 2 Germany, it is one means company name, ascending means this process. So the order is now this is the correct order. It is now what is Chicago's what is that company name? Chicago is Bud. So first we will write here Bud. Bud is the first letter. Then what second is Germany, Frankfurt. It is Arnold. Berlin is Heli. Berlin is Heli. And the fourth is Phnom. Only one is the Elite. So answer should be Bud, Arnold, Heli, and here out of this, where is this option? Bud, Arnold, Heli, and Elite. So this is the right answer. Okay. Understood? So once again I repeat. Here a table is given, and the query is first they have a where clause. In that where clause, they are saying that the length of the city should be between 6 and 10. That means both 6 and 10 also consider. Between 6 means greater than or equal to 6 and less than or equal to city. After that, after getting the result set, again you have to apply the secondary sort. You have to do the double sort. First on the country name, the description. Country in the descending order. After that, company name. So out of the 7 records, we can eliminate Tokyo because here the length is 5. Tokyo length is 5. Osaka length is again 5. And New Orleans is more than 10. I think it was 11. I think. Okay, it was 11. So we have removed these records. Now we have to apply the country description. Country in the descending order means it is Z2A. Z2A. So USA will be the first. USA. That means Chicago. Then Frankfurt. Then Berlin. Then Phnom. Then again we have to do the double sort in this case because here we have 2 countries having same name in the given result set. Because in Germany we have Berlin and Frankfurt. So we have to apply once again the secondary sort. So for Germany we have Arnold and Heli. As we need to sort by company name, A comes first. So Arnold. So answer is Bud from Chicago, Arnold from Frankfurt or Germany, and for Berlin we have Heli and Elite for Phnom. So answer is A. Now we'll go to the next question. Okay, here vehicle. Here the table is vehicle service. So this table is storing the information regarding the servicing of the vehicles. So it has 6 records. Okay, service number is there. Then what is the vehicle number? Then vehicle type, service date, and service charge. Okay, service charge is there. Okay, for a 2-wheeler it is 2500. For 4-wheeler it is 15,000. Okay. Now here Again, this also involves a double sort is there before applying the before applying the secondary sort. First, we have to reduce the number of records by using filter the records. Filter records is less than 15th April. So those vehicles who got serviced before 15th April is the first way clause, first condition. After that, again we have to sort by vehicle type and service date in the description. Okay, and here they ask us what will be the value of service number in the second row when the above query is executed. When this query is executed, you're bound to get some records. As we have used order by, your data will be sorted based on the two conditions: vehicle type and service type. Service date description. We have to identify what is the second record. Okay. Now we'll try to eliminate the out of 6 records. First we have to remove the unwanted records. Okay, less than 15th April 15 April. So what we are going to get? So 101 will be given here because it is more than less than 15th April, correct? Then 102 will not come because it is more than 15th April. So 102 is ruled out. 102 is ruled out. 6th June is also ruled out. 6th June is all ruled out. Then we are going to get 104. 104 is there because it is 2nd April. And we are also going to get 1st March 19. This is also 1st March 19. This is 105. 105. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is there. And 8th June is not there. So we have reduced 2 records. Where is the other record? 15th May. This is also removed. So 15th May is removed. 6th June is removed. And 8th June is removed. Now we are left with 101, 104, 105. Only 3 records. Okay. Now this is the first up to where clause. This is the answer. 101, 105, 105. Now order by vehicle type. Vehicle type is here 2-wheeler, 4-wheeler. Again it is descending means A to Z, A to Z, 0 to 100. 0 to 100. Now we'll order by service vehicle type. Vehicle type. What is the 101 is 2-wheeler. 104 is 4-wheeler. 105 2-wheeler. So answer will be 104 first. 104 because it is 4-wheeler. So F comes before T for 4-wheeler. Then 101. Then 105. Okay, 104 is the first two 4-wheeler because F4 FOUR will come before TW. So 104 will be the first record. Second record will be 101, 105. Again, we have to do now a double sort once again because we are having two values having same. Now this is 4-wheeler. This is 4-wheeler. This is 4-wheeler. This is 2-wheeler. This is 2-wheeler. This is again 2-wheeler. 105 is also 2-wheeler. Now we need to apply. Secondary sort because we have got here. Okay. Now how here? Now what is the second service date? So we have 101 service date is 21st 21st March. 105 is 1st March. Okay. So answer now we have to sort by service destination. So answer is same 101, 104, 105, 105. So your answer will be 101. Answer will be 101. So answer will be 101. Okay. Understood how we got this solution? Okay, I'll repeat once again. Out of the given table, first we have to filter the records. whose date is less than 15th April 15th April. So you can safely remove 102. You can remove. You can also remove 103. You can remove. We can also remove. 8 June. So you are left with 101, then 104, 105, 105. Now we need to filter the records based on the vehicle type. So vehicle type is two-wheeler, four-wheeler. So vehicle type A to Z, because it is by default it is ascending. So 104 will be the first record, 102 first record, then 101 and 105. This is four-wheeler. This is four-wheeler. This is two-wheeler. This is again two-wheeler. Now we have to do apply the secondary sort service date. So 101 is 21st March descending, and 105 is 1st March. So order remains the same. So the question is, what is the value in the second row? Second row will be 101. So you have to choose 101. Okay. Answer is 101, second record. Now we'll go to the next question, fourth question. Okay, fourth question. Again, a student table is given, having 3 columns, 7 rows. Okay. Now here also, it's a little complicated question is here. Okay, question is here. Length and substring. Okay. Here, okay, we need to. This is a little complicated question. We'll try to solve this. Nothing to worry. Here again, they want to find out the value of the student in the third row. So we need to identify what is the value in the third row for student ID. Again, is applying here order by 2, 1 disk. What is 2? What is 1? What is 2 means the second statement in the select statement. Second column in the statement is length is the second statement. What is 1 is the first column. Okay. Now first we'll try to execute the where clause. Ranking greater than 2. Ranking greater than 2 means you can eliminate thing. You can eliminate ranking greater than 2. You can also eliminate Mysore. Okay. Now we are left with Mumbai, Chennai. Okay, all this. So here, okay, Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad. Then we have Delhi and Bangalore. We have removed Delhi and Mysore because the values are less than 2. Next, also length of substring of location, 3. Okay, what is substring is? Substring is to retrieve a part of a string. Substring is to get a part of a string. Okay, substring is to get a part of a string. Now here they are saying that substring takes 3 arguments. String to be searched upon, starting positions, and the number of characters you want to search. Or here they have not given the ending. They have not given the third optional parameter. That means we have to search up to the end. Okay. Now we'll apply the substring for this location, 3 inch. You have to start from 3 to end. So it is MBII. Mumbai is 4. Next Chennai, NNIA. It is again 4. Next Hyderabad is ERABAD. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 6. HYD ERABAD. 9 minus 3, 6. Okay. Delhi is LHI. Delhi is 3. Bangalore BNAG sorry LORE N 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, now we got this is the this is the length of substring of from 3, 4. Okay, now here we are first there are all the records which are greater than 2. Now we have to apply the secondary sort. And the length of the location should be greater than 4. So greater than 4 means, which is now greater than 4 means now we need to remove 1 record, 2 records here, 3 records you have to remove. You are left only with 2 records. Something problem, somewhere you are done wrong. Okay, now let us see once again, because they are asking for the third row. We need to get a third row. Now here Delhi is removed, correct. Mysore is removed, ranking greater than 2. Mumbai, what is starting at 3? MBAI. It is 4. Chennai, E. Oh, we have to consider here. You have to also consider E also. ENNAI 5. Now we got. Now we have to remove less than 4. You have to remove those records which are less than 4. So you can safely remove Chennai and Mumbai and Delhi. You are left with now ENNAI is there. This is 5. Then we have Hyderabad, HYERABAD. This is 6. Bangalore, NGALOR. This is 7. Okay. Till now this is the after up to the where clause. This is the up to the where clause. This is we have got. Now we have to do a double sort. Now we have to do a double sort. Order by 2. What is 2? Order by 2 is the length. So this is in the correct order. Descending. So we don't need to do the secondary sort because every value is unique here. So we don't need to do the secondary sort. Now what is the value in the third row? What is the value in the Bangalore? What is the third row here? Bangalore is 107. So answer is S107. This is how we got the solution as 107. Okay, let me repeat once again. Okay, in the given question, they have given 2 conditions in the where clause. First, ranking should be greater than 2. And also the length of the substring of the given location should be more than 4. So what is substring is to get a part of a string that take arguments, string to be searched upon. You want to find one string, starting position, how many letters you want to find. Here they have not mentioned the number of characters. That means it is up to the end of the records. So that length should be greater than 4. So when you apply this, so Mumbai, so starting at the third. So MBAI, Mumbai will be 4. Chennai will be ENNAI will be 5. Then Hyderabad will be 6. EEHYD. Sorry. You have to also conclude even D also, right? DERABAD. You also come. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. HYDERABAD. Okay. Starting with 7. No, 7. No, 7 is Hyderabad. Delhi will remove. Bangalore is NGALOR is 7. So we are getting here 2 records. We are getting here Hyderabad also 7. Okay, Hyderabad also 7. So now we have to apply the second sort because we are having 2 values same here. So Chennai is Chennai is good because it is sorted by the length 5. Now here we got Hyderabad as both are 7 and 7. Both are 7 and 7. Now we have to apply second. So what is the rank? What is Hyderabad rank? Hyderabad rank is 3. Hyderabad rank is 3. Bangalore rank is 5. So we have to now sort once again. So Chennai will be the first record. Chennai will be second record. Bangalore will be the third record. Bangalore will be third record because sorting by one disk. One is 5 descending. Then Hyderabad rank is. So answer should be 105, not 107. Okay. Earlier we thought Hyderabad it is only 6. Hyderabad it is 6, but it is 7. That's why we got problem here. We got so we got two cities having the same thing, 7 and 7. Now we have to apply the secondary sort. When you apply the secondary sort, we get here two having 2 7 two cities having the same 7. So but rank is one is rank. One rank descending. Hyderabad, Bangalore is 5. Bangalore is 5. Then Hyderabad is 3. So Bangalore will be first. Chennai will Hyderabad will be third. The third row is Hyderabad. So we are going to get 105, not 107. Not 107. We'll discuss one more problem. In this session. Oh, okay, same. Here we'll try to solve this problem. Orders, order ID, customer ID, order date, quantity, and amount. Okay. Table is given, and they have given select order ID from orders where 2 care of order date. 2 char means to convert a date to a character. To 2 char function is a function to convert a given integer or a date to a character field. When that he is converting the date to a string format, and that should be less than 15. It should be less than 15 and should be order by quantity and amount description. Again, you have to do a double sort. Okay. Now we'll try to solve this problem. First we have to identify those records which are less than 15. Date less than 15. So 201 is the first record. 31st January is gone. Next, again one more order. See 201. Okay. I think I think this is something wrong here. I think this is 2 here. This is 3 here. Okay. It is a mistake while copying. The order number is now this is considered as order number 202 and 203. Okay, fine. Now we'll try to solve this problem. Now less than 15. So C03 will come. C33 will come. C0204 will come. 5 will not come. 6 will not come. C207 will come. 207 will come. 207 will come. These two will not come. Out of 9 records, we have removed 202. We have removed 202, 205, 205, 206, 206, 208, 209. Now this is the result set what we got. Now we have to apply here 2 sorts here. First order by quantity and first quantity or order by quantity. So quantity is it is 3 here. Then 203 is 1. 203 is 1. 204 is again 1. Then 207 is 3. Now we need to order by, so 1 1 3 3. So now first we'll do, this is 203 will be, this is 207, 201, 207. Okay, because order by quantity. Quantity is ascending, means 1 to 100. So 1 will be the first value. So 203 is what? 203 is 1. 204 is 1. 20 rest 204. 201. 201 is 3 and 207 is 3. Now amount in the description, amount in the descending. Now here you have to do a double sort here, because two values are same here, not unique. So amount description, amount descending. So what is the amount for 203? 203 is 233. 233.45. One is 204. 204 is 3499. So 204 will be the first record, 203 will be the second record. Till here, because this is 3449 is higher than 233. So till now, this is the order: 204, 203, 204 and 203. Next we have to see for 201 and 207. 207 is 233, 207 is 299. So it will be 299 here, 299 and 233.4. Now what are we asked to find out? The second dot. What we are asked to find out? The second record. What is the second record here? Is 204. Second record is 204. Second record is 204. 204. Okay. Now we'll try to. The answer is 204. Now we'll try to solve this problem. Once again, we'll try to solve this problem. Okay, in the given table orders having 9 rows and 5 columns. Okay, here we have to filter the records where date is less than 15th of 15th. So he is using a toChar. He is using a function called as toChar. toChar in the order date, the date should be less than 15. Now we can safely remove. This is actually it's wrong in the mistake. 202 we can remove. We can remove 204 also. We can remove. No, we cannot remove 204. We can remove 205. We can remove. We can remove 206 also. We can remove. We can remove 208 and 209. So we are left with 201. Then we have to 203. Then 204. Then 207. Next we have to order by quantity. Quantity is in the descending. So quantity should descend, means lowest to highest. So quantity out of this, what is the quantity? Less is 3. Less is 203 will be first record. 203 is first. 204 is first because 1 and 1, and 207, 201 again is 3. 207 is also 3. Now we have as there are two values having the same as there are two values having the same values, we have to apply the secondary sort. Secondary sort in amount in the descending format. So 203 is 233, 304 is 349. So order first will be 204, that is 3499, as 203 is 233. Now out of 3 and 3, now 3 and 3, one is 233.4, 207 is 999. So this will be 207. Oh, okay. 204 you have finished. 203 base. Now 207 is 207. 207. Okay. 207. Then 201. Then 201. So the answer will be 207, not 203. We got it wrong. Okay, answer is 207. See once again. Oh, what is the second record? Okay, sorry. Second record will be, what is the second record will be? 203. This is 207. So answer will be 20. Second record is 203. This is the second record. Okay, I think there's some confusion. We'll try to complete this once again. So we got here out of 9 records, we got here 4 records. First we'll print the values here. 201 is 3. 203 is 1. 204 is 1. 207 is 3. Now we have to order by quantity. So quantity will be 203, 204, 1 and 1, 201, 207, 3 and 3. Now sort by amount description. 203 is 233. So this will be 204. This will be 4. This will be 203. 203. This will be 203. This is 34489. 34489. This is 23383. 23345. Now we also find the second record. So second record is 203. Answer is 203. Okay. We'll stop now. Next session we'll complete the remaining queries. We have seen 5 problems till now. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.